Zumba is
berangkat.
yes, so beautiful. So many people promote it as well, ya Kak, because I never been there. Okay, well, what about Kak Ayu, like just mentioned about Bekasi. Kak Iza, what is the best tourism attractions in your opinion then?
I think Bromo.
All right, Bravo. How was it? Did you go there?
No,
Why do you love Bromo then, sister?
because I want to see the view.
All right then. What about your home? Is your home close to mountain?
No.
Oh, that's why you really love mountain, yeah.
Yes.
We should go there. Okay, what about Kawenda? What is the best tourism attractions that you would like to have? Oh, something. What happened with Kawenda? Hello, Kayepi.
Hi.
Are you tired today?
Not really.
Not really. Have you recorded some
Ah.
lessons?
I forget to do that.
Okay. Well, actually, Kayepi, what is the best tourism attraction that you always remember in your life?
Korea.
Korea?
Bangka, and also Bromo.
Anyway, what happened with Bangka? Is Bangka Belitung there?
Bangka Belitung has different island. Oh, sorry. Bangka and Belitung, they are in different island, but they are in the one province.
One
Bangka Belitung, but there is Bangka Island and then also Belitung Island.
Okay. So what is Bangka Belitung then? Do we have Bangka Belitung? It means like Bangka Belitung, we went to 2 islands.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. What is the icon in Bangka?
Icon?
Crater, I guess.
Bangka is the beach. I love the beach.
And also blue crater. Kawah Biru. Did you ever heard about it?
Oh, that one. Yep, but I'm not go to the famous one. Not the famous one. It's another one.
What is it?
What is it? Yeah.
Okay, well, sister, that's all right of the thing that we could remember about tourism attractions. Anyway, I have left some vocabulary. Before it, let's guess what? Where is it?
What?
Can you see the picture? Okay, so where is it?
Roma, Italia. Which
This one. This one.
UK.
Mesir.
Oh, Mesir.
Okay, it's like how we call it then?
Pyramid?
Pyramid.
Yes, pyramid. Anyone would like to go to pyramid?
No, it's hot.
It's hot, yeah.
It's hot.
Okay, so where is it?
UK. Di Singapura bukan? Singapura Flyer bukan sih? Yang lama.
Big Ben sis. Big Ben.
UK berarti.
Yeah, Big Ben. UK is a big Ben. Okay. If you have time to go to UK, will you go to this where is it? London Eye, it's actually London Eye. Will you go to London Eye? Anyone would like to go to London Eye?
Yeah.
Yes.
I was.
Yes.
Okay, some people doesn't like to go there. Yeah. Well, sister, what is the best tourism attraction that you always have? Some people might love town. Some people might love nature. Which one do you prefer?
Nature.
Nature.
Nature, yeah. Actually, I prefer to have town, yeah. I will like go in town, but I should have a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
To shop everything. It's totally different when we go to nature. Wow, so what is it? It's a lot of places. Can you guys hear it is? What is it? The corner.
I don't know.
Okay, well, actually, it's Korean, yes, sis. Okay, so what about now? What about now?
Brazil.
Brazil.
Ah, it's Brazil. Can you mention what is it about? What is the name of this place?
Ah,
What is it? Mentioning the icon is quite hard, ya, Kak.
yeah.
Ah, okay. Well, in the what is Rio de Janeiro? I guess
Yeah.
it's like what is it? One of the what is capital city of Brazil, yeah? So what is
Yeah.
it?
Rome. Colosseum. Rome.
Colosseum,
Colosseum.
Rome, Italy. Kak Ayu, you should go here, I guess, ya, Kak.
Amin.
Okay, Rome. Can you describe? So what about this one?
Niagara.
Niagara. All right.
Waterfall.
Niagara waterfall. Well, if you have some activity in the waterfall, what will you do then?
Yeah.
Mm.
It's supposed to be.
Yeah, you cannot go swim, of course, ya, Kak.
Right, miss.
Yeah, it's so
Just take a
dangerous.
picture. Take a picture.
Take a picture of it, yeah. Is there any waterfall in your place?
Yeah.
Where is it, Kak?
Cuman jauh.
Oh,
Like 2 hours dari
ah,
my room.
wow, it's so far, yeah. Anyway, you
Yeah,
can come to
itu
my
the
home.
zoo.
You guys can come to my home because it takes 10 minutes to go to waterfall.
Oh.
Yeah, so close. Yeah, I say in a mountain. Where is it then?
Ah. Paris?
Yes,
French?
Paris. Paris, yes. What is the language of Paris? Well,
Cannot speak bonjour. Only bonjour.
oh, it should, you can speak like French ya, Kak. Bahasanya.
French itu bahasa tersulit di
Perancis.
dunia, nggak sih?
Bahasa apanya, sis?
Bahasa tersulit di dunia.
And also Germany, yeah, as well. I think some people might say that. Where is it then?
I don't know.
I guess it's also the popular place. Where is it? I think it's in Asia, ya, Kak.
Thailand mungkin?
I don't know. I don't think so. It's in Thailand, Kak.
I don't know, miss. This is my first time.
This is like a bridge. Is it in, if I'm not mistaken, it is in the Peru.
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 Iya.
Okay. Now this one, of course, we might have it, yeah. How we call it then? Tembok Cina.
Tembok Cina.
What is it, sis?
Tembok Cina.
Great Wall ya?
Great Wall, yes, Great Wall. So people might say it as the Great Wall. And this one, yes, we still have a Great Wall. And this is some places now. Well, those are, and this is.
Taj Mahal.
What kind of place Taj Mahal is it? Okay, well, if we would like to talk about tourism attraction, guys, we always have a typical of question, what kind of place? What kind? Alright, jadi kayak tipe tempatnya itu seperti apa sih? Okay, kan? So we can mention, for example, if you go to Great Wall, what kind of place is it? Great Wall. Termasuk dalam apa tuh? I think it's like a nature ya, Kak. You cannot go anywhere because you just can't see the view. Well, that's why we have like some vocabularies to you concerning to the some tourism attractions in Indonesia, not only in Indonesia, but also around the world. All right. So in your opinion, where do you love a white sand, guys? White sand. Do you love white sand?
Yeah.
Where do you usually find it? In your home, close to your home, probably, if you have it. So okay. Yes, Kak Yapi?
No.
I thought you speak something. Okay, sister. Well, if you have like some questions, like where do you usually go, or what kind of places? When we would like to talk what kind of places, kita bisa menyebutkan such as rural, urban, nature. What else? How do you call benteng, Kak?
Benteng.
Yes. Benteng. Benteng Portugis. How do you call it? We call it as the fort. Yeah, benteng is fort. Okay, it's different with banteng, yeah. All right. So here is some information or vocabularies related to the tourism attraction as well. Anybody would like to be a volunteer reading some vocabularies here? I'll try number one. Where do you usually find white sand? Okay, in the beach. Where is the best place? What is the best beach in your place? If you have it. Anyway, by the way, what about Bekasi, Kak Ayu? Do we have like beach in Bekasi?
No.
No, yeah, there is no beach, yeah. Jakarta still have it, ya, Kak?
Ya, Ancol.
Oh, yes, Ancol, ya. Okay. Well, we have Kak Berliana too. Hi, sister.
Yes, Miss.
Wow, what is the best tourism attractions in your hometown?
Miss?
What is the best tourism attraction? Kayak tempat-tempat yang paling indah di tempatmu, sis.
Beach.
Beach, ya. Like,
Yeah.
consider beach. What is the best beach there?
Beach.
Okay, well, all right, sister. Yes, thank you. Now this one. Anybody would like to read? How to read number 2? Okay, you can say it's like here, Siaka, waves. Waves. Yes, waves. What about this one? Number 9.
Ship.
Okay, you can select ship, yeah?
Ship.
Ship. So what about number 11?
Turtle.
Of course, turtle, yeah? 12?
Island.
Okay, highlands. We might select highlands. Okay, and what about this one? How do you defer it to the camera then?
Camp.
It should be like camp. Yes, it should be like camp. We have such as like pa. Can you hear? Yes, it should be camp. But if you want to say like camera, you can say like camera, camera.
Camera.
Yes, camera. What about number 15?
Content right.
Some
What
people
can I-
also might mention as always, mantan right? Some people also can mention ma'ant right.
Right.
Which one is easier for you? Mantan atau ma'ant?
Mantan.
Mantan, yeah. Okay. Ma'ant, yes. Some
Ma'ant.
people also mention the ma'ant. What about number 17?
Waterfall.
Where is the geyser in Indonesia? Where is the geyser in Indonesia? Where is it, sis? If you know Tegal, we have Gucci as well. Anybody was there? Tegal, Gucci, geyser. We don't think, yeah. What about in Korea, Kak? Do we have geyser?
Oh, sorry. No, I didn't go there. I didn't explore about that. Just in the city.
Ah, just in the city, yeah. So, which one do you prefer then, Kak Yepi? Urban or nature?
Both of them actually.
Oh, but actually, yeah.
It depends to the city. I like
Oh.
the what? Yeah, not the crowded city. Because Korea is quiet what ya. Dia lumayan teratur sih. Jadi I like the city.
Really, Kak? I think like if we watch in a drama, yeah, gangs, it seems that Korea is crowded.
But it's better than Jakarta. Even Bandung better than Bandung.
Even Bandung. So which one is more crowded, Jakarta or Bandung?
Of course Jakarta, I think.
Of course, still Jakarta, yeah. Is the Bekasi is crowded too, Kak Ai?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so
Well, so many traffic congestion. Nah, kita bisa bilang macet, full ya, crowded. Banyak people itu kayak crowded. But kalau misalnya kita bisa bilang banyak kemacetan, we can say traffic jam. But you can make your English is better by saying traffic congestion. Congestion, Kak. Okay, we might have it here. Okay, like traffic congestions. All right. Okay, this one thing that you can share if you want to talk about the traffic congestions as well, whether in Jakarta or Bandung. Okay, I don't think. Well, what do you think the best valley in your place? Do you have it?
We don't
Valley.
have Jakarta don't have valley.
Jakarta doesn't have valley ya, Kak.
Yeah.
Kalau tukang parkir yang suka mindahin mobil itu namanya apa, Kak?
Valley.
Valley ya. So it's different. How to read this? It's called like valley, but here we call it as the valley.
Valley.
Okay, valley. So, and also we have like, what about number 22nd? 22nd?
Ravine.
Okay, yes, ravine.
Ravine.
Okay, ravine. Anybody has go to Banyuwangi? Not yet, yeah. Who had been in Kawah Ijen crater? Who's been there?
Yeah.
Not yet, yeah. I guess Bandung is also has crater ya, Kak.
It Kawah Putih.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, Kawah Putih. Is it close to Farmit, yeah. If you know it.
I
don't know. Okay, well, what about how to read this one?
Vagaries.
Vagaries. This one?
Footpath.
Sal.
Where do you usually find a lot of receipt of your cooking? Where do you usually find a lot of receipt of cooking?
Instagram.
Oh, Instagram. What about Foodpad? Do you know it? We have like Foodpad ya, Kak. Application consists of a lot of receipt of the food. Okay. We also have Cookpad. We also have Wattpad.
Cookpad.
Yes. How to differ between Foodpad and also Foodpad?
Food pad,
Mhm.
cook pad.
Yes. We have like the here, Kak. The we call this Foodpad. Foodpad. The. So, okay, we can mention footpath. Footpath. If it is like Wattpad and then Cookpad, you can select Cookpad, Cookpad. The. Okay, you can select Cookpad and also Footpath. So it's like different in the end of your in the end of the syllable. How to read number 34?
Panorama.
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 Pano.
Pano.
Yes, panorama. What about number 39?
Family.
Okay, family. Nah, in English, in
Family.
pronunciation, in pronunciation, we call it as the stress. Apa itu stress? Apakah karena kebanyakan kerja atau gimana? Of course, no, ya. Well, if you have your pronunciations or your English sounds good, you can have pronunciation. Salah satunya adalah you can call it as a stress, tekanan. You can mention stress when you have in a verb dalam kata kerja atau kata benda. Nah, ketika kita ngomongin kata benda, mostly the stress in the first syllable. Syllable adalah what is syllable, friends? Do you know syllable? Suku kata. Okay, we have like syllable. When we mention or we speak noun, mostly the stress is on the first syllable. Okay, makanya ada family. If we must say family, some people ada bilang gitu, tapi kayak the best one adalah family. Family. What about number 42?
Airplane.
Yes, airplane. Jadi ada yang namanya stress. Ketika kita ngomongin aku mau masak. How do you say it then?
I want to cook.
I want to cook. Nah, ini stresnya ada di belakang. That's why I want to cook. Oke, jadi kayak di belakang. Tapi kalau misalnya words it kayak dia tuh seorang chef sih, kayak she's a cook gitu. Ada cook, ada cook gitu. If it is as the words it kata kerja, you can say longer, cook. Tapi kalau misalnya dia kata benda kayak cook. Ada family, cukup bilang kayak family. Okay, what about number 36 then? L. Ya, L. Jadi ada tekanannya kayak di depan gitu ya. Okay, so what about number 43?
Hotel.
Oke, kita bisa bilang hotel kalau misalnya kita mau bilang ini is a flat, tapi we can select is a hotel. Okay, hotel. And then what about number 45? Reservation.
Reservation.
Okay. That's why kenapa kayak kadang-kadang kita it seems fluent, kelihatan fluent bukan karena lidahnya dan sebagainya, but in English rules dalam aturan bahasa Inggris juga kita punya tanda-tanda. Kapan kita harus mainin nada itu? Sometimes we call it a restaurant. Okay, and then kita juga bisa bilang kayak restore. Kalau restore berarti apa? Ini ya, using your laptop, restore.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
kayak
ada
restore. Okay, and let's console, we can have it. So for any more question? This one, some of the some of the tourism attractions, relations of the of the translations. I would like you to practice. Azalina and Sarah here. Anybody would like to be volunteer?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, Kak Vidya. Which one you want to, anybody would like to be volunteer as a companion of Kak Vidya? Anybody would like to be volunteer? Okay, yes, sis. Kak siapa tadi? Sorry.
Ya,
Kaiza?
Kak Berliana.
Oh, Kak Berliana. Okay, all right, Kak Berliana. All right, sister, let's try it.
Okay. Hello, excuse me. I am Vidya. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. I'm Sarah. What can I do for you?
I want to go around and I think I need a partner. Do you want to be my guide?
Yes, of course. I know this place very well. There's no problem if I accompany you while explaining many things of this beautiful place.
That's cool. I need a guide for only for a day. So how much should I pay?
You just have to spend $3.
Okay, no problem. Please give me your best.
Sure, I will do my best.
Thanks. So what place that we are going to start?
And how an hour later, we will arrive at Raffles Landing site. Have you ever heard about this place?
No, tell me.
The Raffles Landing site is the location where tradition hold that Sir Stamford Raffles landed on January 29,
Dua-dua, Kak.
One apa?
You can say kayak dua-dua.
Oh, dua-dua. 18 and 19, which lasted 10 days. During this period, he concludes the first treaty with the local rules.
What a great story. I can't wait to see it.
All right, thank you, Kak Berliana, and also Kak Vidya. Well, guys, where do you usually find this dialect mostly? Where do you usually find this dialect then? Biasanya nemuin di mana?
Di tempat wisata.
Tempat wisata. How we call it then?
Tourism attraction.
Yeah. Tourism information ya, sis? Ya nggak sih, Kak?
Mana, Kak? Gimana?
Tourism information. Where, ya kan? Kita biasanya sering nemuin itu di mana?
Di tempat wisata.
Di tempat-tempat wisata. Ada yang you can have or you can find the spot like what is it? The center of information, ya. Okay, we call it as the tourism information. Right, you will find it in the square and in the fort and etc. Okay, then. So, is there anybody who would like to be a broadcaster here? No one who would be a broadcaster, yeah. Okay, well, guys, can you see our screen now? Yes, Kak. Best tourism attractions in Indonesia. Kelihatan nggak? PowerPoint, can you see it? I guess no, yes, yes. This one, I would like you to practice. Describe town tourism attractions in Indonesia or abroad you would like to go. Okay, you can share who did you go, what did you go, how did you go there, why did you go, when will you go, and what place do we want more. Okay, it's kind of idea that you can have for telling about 10 tourism attractions in Indonesia or abroad you would like to go. Okay, is there any more questions, sister? Okay, if there is no more question, so it's time for you to practice out within tourism attraction. See you on the homeroom. Bye. Okay. Right, only 2, yes, yes. Halo Kak Farhan. Hai Kak
Halo, Miss.
Farhan. How
Halo,
are you
Miss.
today? What are you now? Lagi di mana Kak?
I'm fine, Miss. Lagi di luar, Miss.
Alright, thank you for still joining.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, well, Kak Farhan, actually today we will have practice ya Kak. Okay, nah our practice malam ini adalah tentang tourism attractions. Is it possible for you to practice Kak? Kita ngomongin tentang tempat-tempat wisata.
Okay.
Okay, we can like just practice in our room. Alright, so wish you can practice. See you on the hall room ya Kak Farhan.
What, Kak?
Kita practice nih ngomongin tentang tourism attractions. Can you see the screen Kak? Kak Farhan kelihatan nggak screen-nya?
Kelihatan nggak? Kelihatan.
Oke, kita bakal practice ini. Tapi kayak not only talking about this, at least Kak Farhan describe 10 tourism attractions in Indonesia atau abroad you would like to go. Tempat tujuan wisata yang bakal Kak Farhan kunjungi itu di mana? Gitu.
Ini question, tugas, Kak.
Oh, practice Kak, practice, yes. Kayak diomongin aja sih, it's time to practice aja, ngomongin topik ini sama teman-teman. Kita bakal ngomongin ini di breakout room. Dibagi sama teman-teman. Oke, alright then.
Oke.
Oke then, see you on the breakout room.
Oke sih. Oke, Miss.
Okay. Halo Kak Farhan. Halo Kak. Kak Farhan.
Berapa? Ada berapa Kak? 2.
Satu.
Masih 1.
Iya,
Masih 1.
Satu.
Umurnya berapa Kak?
Umurnya 2 tahun.
Oh,
Oh,
masih
kecil
kecil.
banget.
Masih
Iya.
imut-imut ya itu.
Masih imut-imut, tapi udah mulai seperti teenager. Masuk
Iya,
di fase teenager dia tuh.
Iya, dan
Tapi kayak teenager.
udah suka ngikuti orang lain ya.
Iya, mengikuti dan gak suka diatur umur segini.
Ya, because dia kalau anak kecil biasanya kan dia nyontoh apa yang dilihat gitu. Nggak bisa diomongin.
Iya, cepet banget, kita nggak boleh salah. Bener-bener
Iya.
nggak boleh salah tuh dikit.
Jadi dia niru bukan denger gitu.
Iya, dia niru. Ada Kak Nuri, ada Miss Nuri.
It says, what is it like? Sharing about daily life ya Kak?
Ya, tadi udah.
Tapi
Tadi
pakai
udah.
ya, tadi udah sharing apa tuh?
Apa tadi?
Attraction.
Tourism attraction.
Yes, tourism attractions, yeah. Anyway, wow. So what is the 10 tourism attractions on your version? Kak Ai, Kak Wenda, Kak Vidya.
Gimana Kak?
Version, you know what is version Kak? 10 tourism attractions on your version. Versinya. Versions? Versi.
Oh, version. Oh ya, version.
Yeah, versions. We kind of like version.
Versi. Version. Oh.
I like having like quiet footage ya Kak. Aduh, kayak what is? Do you have any recipe that we can have to heal the footage, sis? Main ya. Footage.
Karyawan. Bukan.
Gigi.
Oh, gigi.
Sakit kepala Kak?
Footage.
Yes, footage. Sakit kepala Kak?
Headache.
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 Sakit perut.
Stomachache.
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 Oke.
Sariawan.
Bibir pecah-pecah.
Bibir pecah-pecah.
Oke, sariawan, bibir pecah-pecah. Apa sih? Sakit tenggorokan.
Batuk-batuk.
Iya juga sih Kak. Batuk-batuk, how to say batuk?
Batuk.
Sakit tenggorokan, we call it sore throat Kak.
Sore throat.
So everything you can pronounce th within th. Okay, so how do you read this then?
Think.
Okay, not ting tapi kayak
Think. Think.
Kak Wenda.
Think.
Enggak di belakang, di depan. Enggak tapi Suara ular Kak? Suara ular?
Sing.
Okay.
Sing.
Okay, what about this one then?
So.
Yes, thought.
So.
No, not thought ya Kak. Kalau thought jatuhnya gini. Ini baru thought. Kalau using this one, it should be
So.
Ini baru thought. Oh, no. Enggak ada di belakang, Kak. Langsung di tengah. Maju lagi, Kak.
Aduh.
Yes. Thought, ya. So we can like Because kalau kita te jatuhnya kayak gini nih.
Did.
Teeth. Oke,
Teeth.
teeth. Yes. Kita punya TH, apalagi ya? We can have we don't have any G. How to read this then?
Reduce.
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 Reuse.
Reuse. Reuse.
University.
University. We also have a and also an ya kak. A and also an. How to read this? How to baca 1 jam?
1 hour.
You can. You don't need to say hour, but just like 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. If you might say, can we say like this?
One hour.
Hour.
Apa artinya kak?
1 hour.
Kami satu.
Kami satu.
Satu kita.
Satu
Satu
kita. Boleh nggak kita bilang satu kita?
Kita satu.
Kita satu. Kita satu berarti apa dong?
We are one.
Yes, we are
We are
one. Can we say like 1 hour like this kak?
1 hour.
Artinya apa nih?
Nggak tahu.
1 jam.
Satu.
Nggak ada jamnya, cuman satu aja kak. Boleh nggak kita 1 hour?
Hour.
You still have remember about pronoun? Alright sis, boleh nggak kita bilang 1 hour kalau gitu?
Enggak.
Harusnya adalah
We are.
we are. Selain itu apalagi
To
kak?
be.
Selain itu adalah satu itu milik kita loh. Satu itu milik kita.
Hours.
Hours.
One
1 hour.
is ours. Yes.
1 hours is ours.
Aha, yes. Jadi kalau misalnya satu milik kita, terus kayak kita bikinnya adalah, oh mungkin kayak 1 jam gitu ya. Mungkin nggak kita beda. Kan kita mikirnya adalah, kita dengernya adalah 1 hour nih. Ya kan kak? You listen about 1 hour. Can you translate? Ini sebenarnya kayak 1 jam atau satu milik kita. So which one? If I say 1 hour, maksudnya adalah if aku bilang 1 hour, berarti maksudnya apa?
1 jam.
1 jam.
1 jam. Oke, nggak mungkin aku bakal ngomongin kayak, oh ini tuh satu milik aku. Mungkin nggak, terus aku bilang 1 hour.
Enggak.
Nggak bisa. But we have to say, kalau ini tuh maksudnya tuh aku mau bilang kayak ini tuh milik aku loh. We can say
It's hour.
1.
Aku.
Yes, 1 is ours.
1 is ours.
Alright, such as the question like Kak Urfan mentioned yesterday. Kak Wenda, did you say it, Kak?
Yes.
Okay, instead of saying like, what is it? The question is such like, the bicycles were blah, blah, blah. So what should the answer? What should the right answer? The bicycle were? The bicycle were?
Where? Maksudnya?
The bicycle were blah, blah, blah. What is the answer? Okay, number 10 nih, Kak. The bicycle, all right. We have such a questions, the bicycles, okay. Okay, were blah, blah, blah. Kenapa kita nggak bilang ini kayak themselves, Kak?
Were themselves.
Okay.
Oh, I think because dia pakai to be ya.
Alright. So the correct answer harusnya adalah
The bicycles were
Using would use pronoun Kak, pronoun. Okay, so let's try Kak Video. What is your answer, sister?
Theirs ya.
Okay, let us know kenapa jawabannya theirs Kak.
Because bicycles ada S-nya.
Mhm.
Nggak mungkin satu orang gitu. Terus kalimat selanjutnya menunjukkan kalau jawabannya theirs.
Mhm.
Oh, theirs.
Okay.
Lebih dari
So,
satu.
Ya, bicycles menunjukkan lebih dari satu. Mana sih itu?
we call it pronoun atau referring Kak. Jadi kita mengembalikan ke milik siapa. It's not about satu atau banyak, tapi ini punyanya siapa. Kalau kita bilang the bicycle were themselves, ini berarti artinya apa? The bicycle were themselves. Themselves dipakai untuk
Sendiri, untuk menunjukkan punya mereka sendiri.
mereka sendiri. Kalau bicycle mungkin nggak ke mereka sendiri, Kak?
Enggak.
Makanya adalah jawaban yang memungkinkan adalah, oh bicycle itu tuh punyanya mereka. Ya nggak sih, Kak?
Yes.
Kalau kita ngomongin punyanya mereka, kita bilangnya adalah pernahnya theirs. Yes, theirs. Such as the mouse is
Yours.
yes, mine.
Yours.
Mine. Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, Kak. Oke, jadi itu kayak nunjukin, oh itu tuh punyamu, itu tuh punyaku gitu. Makanya the bicycle instead of saying kayak mereka sendiri. Kalau mereka sendiri itu pakainya kayak themselves. But if you mention is kayak logic thing-nya, oh bicycle itu punya mereka loh. That's why we can have it the bicycle were
Theirs.
theirs. Kalau punyanya sepeda itu punyanya dia loh. Dia laki-laki.
The bicycle
Is
was him.
His. His apa him, Kak?
His.
His. Oke, his. Kalau dia perempuan?
Her.
Her apa hers?
Hers.
Her apa hers? Ada S-nya nggak, Kak?
With S.
her.
In the S ya.
Yes.
Kalau ibunya dia tuh tetangga aku. How do you say it then?
Her mother.
Her mother.
Can I say hers mother?
Oh,
No. Why? No, Kak.
Karena abis itu ada mothernya.
Habis itu ada mother-nya. Kita bilangnya adalah possessive adjective, Kak. Yang ada mother-nya itu namanya possessive adjective. Yang nggak ada mother-nya itu namanya possessive pronoun. Oke, biasanya kalau possessive pronoun itu ada si to be to be-nya. Makanya the bicycle were ours, the bicycle were theirs. Gitu. Clear, sister?
Yes.
Okay, alright. So,
Clear.
where will you go after this? After this pandemic, I mean. Where will you go? Kak Ayu, Kak Wenda, Kak Vidya.
I'm going to sleep.
Oh, after this pandemic, Kak, you're going to sleep?
Oh, no. After pandemics, I want to go to the place where I want to go.
What is it, Kak? Do you have any plan before?
If I have a free time, libur, I want to back to home, meet my parents in Pematang Siantar.
What is lah Pematang Siantar, Kak Wenda?
Sekitarnya Medan.
Oh, okay.
One
so
hours.
Where do you live now, Kak Wenda?
I mean Tangerang, no.
Oh, okay. So how frequently do you go home to Pematang Siantar?
Maybe dari pesawat ke Medan itu 7 jam ya? No, don't.
Pesawat ke Medan 7 jam, jauh dong Kak.
3 hours.
3 hours?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's so far. So where do you live with in Tangerang, Kak Wenda?
I live with my auntie.
Oh, okay, all right. Where is, so in the last year, did you go home?
Maybe in bulan Ramadan. Yang libur panjang ini loh.
Idul Fitri ya Kak? Libur panjang
Iya,
itu.
yes, Idul Fitri.
Almost a year ya berarti, Kak
Iya.
Wenda. 2 months later we will have celebration ya, Idul Fitri celebration. Alright.
Ya.
Iya nggak sih Kak? 2 bulan.
Iya 2 bulan benar.
Atau mungkin cuma 1 bulan, April kan?
1 bulan.
Isunya hampir 2 bulan.
Oke.
Karena yang bulan Desember kemarin kan cuti dipotong.
How many days the paid off usually Kak for a year? Berapa hari cuti dalam setahun?
Biasanya 12 hari sih. 12 days.
Dikit ya?
One year. Iya, sedikit.
Okay, well done. Okay, anyway, Kak Wenda, Kak Vidya, you can continue. For the rest of our time, I would like to move to another room ya, Kak.
Okay, Kak.
Yes, okay.
Have a good story as well. Wow, sister, how's? Are you tired?
Miss,
Yes.
I forgot to ask you the question. Why did you put did? It means the last experience.
Yes. It means we did also one of the place that you go. It is such, we call it as a prom ya Kak. Prom tuh kayak semacam pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang kita bisa tanyakan gitu kan. Even the questions is 10 tourism attractions you would like to go. It means in the future kan Kak. But the prom you can say who did you go, and then you can say you will go. So it's kind of prom that you can make it or interchangeable.
Okay. Yeah. Okay then.
You look so totally tired anyway. Happy. So where will you go? Do you have any kind of refreshing there?
What?
Where did you go last time, Kak? Last time you went to Korea, right?
No, not Bangka.
Oh, Bangka. Oh, okay. The latest one is Bangka.
Yeah, in 2020. So.
Huh?
No, 2019, December 2019.
2020 kita nggak bisa kemana kan?
Yeah.
We didn't go anywhere kan? What about this year?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't have plan.
Okay.
I will wait until the pandemic is over.
Anyway, can you guess, predict when will this pandemic will end? We cannot predict anyway. I don't think that we can predict.
Most the people say when we get vaccine, it's quiet. What yeah?
Strengthen lah ya.
Mean we can go. Tidak. Yeah.
Okay. So did you get vaccine? Do you have vaccine anyway, Kak Yepi? vaccine?
Yes.
No yet. Kak Berliana is a dentist, I guess, like in
I
health.
think, did you hear my voice, friends?
Quiet
Or my
breaking
connection is
sebenarnya
bad
Kak.
because
Quiet
Miss Nuri is
breaking.
freezing now. Lagging.
Oh.
But I can hear your voice.
Huh?
I can hear your voice.
Yeah, but I think Miss Nuri has problem with her connection.
Oh.
Then...
I.
Okay.
Nah. Like when you mention, can you hear my voice? Yes, I have told you. Yes, Kak, I can hear.
No, we cannot hear you. So for me, I cannot hear your voice, and then your video is lagging.
Oh, what about now?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, and that's why, like, because I can hear your voice very clear. I can hear your voice, Kak. I can hear your voice. And suddenly what happened? I'm leaving. Oh my God, my connection. Okay. Kak Berliana is a dentist, I guess. So it's like it close to health. Have you got the vaccine, Kak Berliana?
Not Miss. Yang baru dosen.
Oh, anyway, is there? I heard about one of the story of, I don't how to call it. Insta, okay. How to call it, gangs? Influencer, ya?
Influencer.
Oh.
Yes, right. One of the I thought like one of the influencers say, like she mentioned, if you would like to go get the vaccine, we can list and register ourselves to the where is it, like clinic, and then we will get it. Is it right in Jakarta, Kak Yapi?
I don't know because actually in Jakarta this has the priority. Okay, like do you know Tanah Abang?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you know the seller already got the vaccine? After the what? A doctor, nurse, some, and then like the police. After them, the seller in the Tanah Abang got the vaccine. Okay. Rather than the teacher. Okay. But
how's your logic then?
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, maybe Tanah Abang is the priority in Jakarta.
Probably, ya, Kak. Because they have what is it, economic, they have the issue of economic, probably. That's why whether like teacher is also quiet. Yeah, see, economic and also education. So in Jakarta, economic is higher position rather than education.
Yeah, but because my friend is teaching in Tangerang. She got vaccine already in February.
Oh, February? It's already March.
Yeah. No, she got the schedule last February, and then she went to the hospital around the first our Maret. How to say our Maret? The early in March. Early March.
Yeah, early March.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the different, yeah. In my place, the priority is still worse. It's like in health, yeah. In health positions, and then governmental position in my place, yeah, Kak. So it's like we have like different priority, right?
Yeah, but actually in Jakarta, the old one, pensiunan.
Lansia. Adults. We can say the adults.
Yeah, the adults. So the hard position, governmental, Tanah Abang, Tanah Abang, and then the adapt.
Oh, okay. So what number for the educations in the educational?
I don't know, but the ministry, Pak Nadim, Mr. Nadim,
Minister
said IT until June. The latest is June.
Wow. Have you ever heard before, because online education was actually one of the program of Pak Nadim, ya? Ya, Kak. So sometimes it's also give a beneficial too, because it's such a trial how people can maximize this condition.
Yeah.
It's a challenge, I guess, for having these situations and also maximizing, yeah.
Yeah.
Like
trial and error.
Trial and error. And for the dentist then, I mean, like Kapelene is a dentist. I mean, you need experience as well, ya, Kak. How if you have this online learning then?
Online, Miss? What is?
I mean, like dentist kan you need, what is it? You need to practice and then experience the passion, gitu kan?
Oh yeah.
So what about during this online?
But because I'm new student, so it's basic. Not belum menghadapi pasien.
Okay. So it is such what is it? Early bird, not early bird, yeah. Let's only try yang
freshman. Is that freshman?
Fresher.
Fresher.
Kalau kita punya di tahun kedua, we call it the sophomore, Kak. Sophomore. Sophomore itu kayak tahun kedua.
Second year.
Ya, second year. Ya, second year kita bilang kayak sophomore. Baru yang ketiga kita baru ke third gitu. Jadi kayak I'm a sophomore, jadi kayak orang tahu kayak kamu ada di tahun kedua gitu. 3, 4, 5, 6 nggak ada istilahnya sih, Kak. You can say like in the third year gitu sih, atau fourth year, tahun keempat, ya.
7 year.
Yes, third year, fourth year. Anyway sih. Kak, about yesterday, did you have some questions related to the pronoun? Well, I'm still waiting for. No, see, some people also might have sent about the recording of the answer, yeah.
So sorry about that.
No worries, Kak. As long as everything clear, that will be fine.
This is like
belum, Miss.
Kenapa, Kak Berin?
Aku belum.
Oh, yeah, sis. Take it easy. We have time, and if you need some. What is it? Some evaluations of it? Just let me know, yeah. Okay, Kak. What about the tourism attraction? Where will you go after this, Kak Berliana? Do you have any plan? Where will you go? Do you have any plan? Mau kemana setelah the pandemic end?
Home.
Stay at home, ya. Udah kebawa suasana di rumah ya, Kak Berliana. Alright. What about Kak Iza? Where will you go?
I think I want to Bromo because I want.
Okay. Just drop my home ya, Kak. Well, Bromo is in the East Java. You can go to Central Java. Alright, wow. Okay. Kak Berlian and Kak Iza, Kak Yepi, thank you so much for having me. I'd like to close the room ya, Kak.
Okay.
Okay, I'll close the rooms. Okay, well, guys, thank you so much for having me tonight. I know that all of you are already tired, but you still have this class, and I'm really sorry for all the mistakes. Do you have any more questions?
No.
So if there's no more questions, see you tomorrow before the final. No, the final. I mean at the weekly task. Thank you so much for having me. See you later. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for
Thank you,
sharing.
Miss.
Yeah, thank you for today, Kak.